I want to talk to you about something called the food intolerance hierarchy because so many people I see are genuinely trying with their diet. They're eating what they think is healthy, but they're still struggling with symptoms. Now, the food intolerance hierarchy gives us a clear step-by-step way of working this out. At the bottom are what we call the gateway foods. These are wheat, milk, and sugar. These are the first ones we look at because they are the most common sensitizers. When we take them out of the diet, the immune system finally has some breathing space. Sometimes that alone can make a huge difference. But if there's symptoms still around, we move further up the hierarchy to other grains, dairy and alternatives, and nightshades like tomatoes or peppers. If needed, we go further still to foods like eggs. Each step gives us clearer information about how your body is responding. The key is to give each stage enough time, usually about 3 or 4 weeks, so we can see accurate results. Over a longer period, say 6 months, the body can start to reset, and then we can start to reintroduce the foods one by one to check your tolerance. The important thing is, this isn't about having a perfect diet or cutting out foods forever. It's about finding out which foods your body can truly handle and which ones are quietly fueling your symptoms. By working step by step, we can take away the guesswork and give your body the chance to repair and restore balance.